Yeah, good morning. It's the 7th of the month, and this is the morning after I discovered I have a swarm of bees in my hive, happily. So I had the lid lifted. I lifted it yesterday, but regrettably I wasn't set up to do anything more than just lift it and look. I'm going to lift it again. Hope they don't run me out of the county. And maybe we can get a glimpse of that hive on film. So here I go. And there it is. Is that not something? Okay, we're getting too active. Well, I hope I got a halfway decent shot there. That hive is expanding. It's dropped down onto the racks now, so unfortunately I have no foundation in them frames. So even though it's dropping down into the frames, there's no foundation there. I believe they'll build on them anyways, but we'll see. I've got to buy another super and some frames. But look at all that bee activity. And if I were to walk around, you'll see a long line of bees going in right under that lid. So I do need another lid too. So there's my beehive.